Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Subquery network coin. Ticker symbol is SQT, and it was just announced that this coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting soon. And we're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So it was just announced on Bybit's Twitter here at Bybit_official. It says SQT is coming soon to Bybit spot trading platform with spot grid bots function available. And then there's going to be a huge prize pool that's coming soon as well. And they don't give an exact date yet because this is just a brand new announcement here. And so it will be soon. Now, if you follow that Twitter that I just mentioned at Bybit_official, or you follow Subquery Network's Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at Subquery Network, they will announce soon when this token will be listed on Bybit. So you'll be able to get this token by downloading Bybit from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC, opening an account, funding your account with USDT, going into the trade section and searching their ticker symbol SQT, and then simply just buying the token. It is that easy. So you'll see on that Twitter right there, they have a full link tree. So the Twitter is at Subquery Network, over 4,300 tweets, blue verified check mark. It says pioneering fast, flexible, and scalable Web3 infrastructure, powering teams on Ethereum base, IO, Tex, Polkadot, Cosmos, AVAX, Near, and 150 more. So they have 101,300 Twitter followers, very well established project here. And then they have a full link tree on that Twitter there. If you click on that, that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. On the link tree, you'll find a YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Telegram, Twitter, their website, documentation, managed service, foundation, Subquery Seekers Challenge, the Subquery SQT and NFT claim. They have the Discord, 2 different Telegrams, Zeely, Academy, Twitter, Explorer, blog, Mediums, GitHub, demos, LinkedIn, brand kit, so much stuff on here. It's ridiculous. So yeah, and if you go over to their webpage, you can find even more links over there. They have grants, professional services, supported networks, indexer, SDK, RPC service. So it says Subquery mainnet launch imminent. After a sold-out public sale, the mainnet will launch February 23rd. So stay tuned for that. Today is the 21st, so that's in 2 days. The mainnet is going to launch for Subquery February 23rd at 8 a.m. UTC time. And then our token generation event and central exchange listings will occur around the same time. So that's most likely around the time when it will be listed on Bybit. According to their webpage here, February 23rd, so that's right around the corner. So it says, decentralize the future, pioneering fast, flexible, and scalable Web3 infrastructure. Supercharge your DApp with Subquery today. Subquery's SQT public sale is here and is sold out. And thanks for joining us on this mission to pioneer a Web3 infrastructure revolution. Decentralization without compromise. So thousands of decentralized indexers and RPC providers simplify the data layer for a myriad of applications and use cases. Load balanced so customers benefit from a single endpoint, but multiple redundant providers. So cost efficient. Subquery's shared data nodes solve the scaling and cost problems with growing blockchains. They have reliability and scalability. Node providers are rewarded for performance and uptime, and the network can effortlessly scale to more and increased demand. Faster apps with a global distributed network of nodes. The Subquery network will bring superior latency to global applications. One network, all of your Web3 data needs. So it's got decentralized data indexers, fast, reliable, decentralized, and customized APIs for your Web3 project. Subquery's APIs make your dApp lightning quick by providing an indexed data layer. Your dApps get richer, data faster to allow you to build intuitive and immersive experience for your users. Easy to build, test, deploy, and run. Subquery's data indexer makes dApp development a breeze. Also, decentralized RPC endpoints. Faster, cheaper, and globally decentralized RPCs that supercharge your dApp. The Subquery data node is heavily optimized. RPC endpoint unlocks new breakthroughs in performance and scalability to power the next generation of Web3 projects. With similar RPC endpoints and helpful SDKs to manage network connections, supercharging your app only takes a couple seconds. And anyone can participate. There's a role for everyone on the network, from highly technical developers to blockchain beginners, and you can find out how you can participate and be rewarded. So there's dApp users, and they will ask the Subquery network specific indexed data and RPC endpoints for their dApps and tools, and exchange an advertised amount of SQT for each request. Delegators will participate in the network by supporting their favorite data indexers and RPC providers to earn rewards based on those based on the work those indexers do. And then data indexers will run the and maintain the high quality Subquery projects in their own infrastructure and will be rewarded in SQT for the requests that they serve. And RPC providers run an optimized Subquery data node and are rewarded in SQT for providing reliable, scalable, and affordable RPC services to the network. So you could build, learn, and earn. There's block explorers, dApps, mobile apps, analytics. Over 150 networks on here that they support, it says here. They have tons of socials. You can subscribe to a newsletter. Check it all out, subquery.network, and you'll be able to find this coin newly listed soon, around February 23rd on Bybit. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.